in there.
Okay, today's adventure took us about as far as a cup of coffee, as I like to say, for some reason. When I say the word coffee, I need to say it with that voice. So maybe I should say, I don't know. It sounds like a song when I do it like this. But I'm actually drinking cappuccino, so perhaps the right way to say it, hello, is
Hello?
I like it a little bit of foam, but not too much. No mustache, as it were. But it's getting dark out, and soon Dracul will be out. And people will probably think I'm crazy.